solving from Take You Forward sheet. On YouTube, you will find one coder army. So you should search for all the questions which he is telling you to solve in string. You search for that question on LeetCode and start solving from there. Or you can do one more thing, like you come to you go to LeetCode account. There you will find strings. First, what you should do, you solve all easy problems based on the strings, like Roman to integer, longest common prefix, then letter combination, sorry, valid parenthesis, then find index of first. Like all easy problem, you first solve on a string. After solving all easy problems, then come to Take You Forward sheet. And then you solve these 15 questions. So a string is over, means by the end of in 2 months, you should be able to solve a linked list, binary search, a string, and 2 pointers. Total, I am thinking you will have 8 months from now. So if you solve daily three, at least you should solve 3 questions daily of DSA. And one more thing, it should not like you should solve only DSA. You have to focus on SQL also. So if you're planning to solve SQL, then either you can solve from LeetCode 50 on LeetCode 50, or you can search sqlpractice.com. There, on that side, you will find 100 problems on SQL. So you can solve SQL from there also. And after solving a string, you come to linked list. A string, array, and linked list are 3 important concepts which mainly service-based company will focus. And like if you go for interview, then mainly they will ask you from a string, array, and linked list. All companies, string, array, and linked list, they will ask you to solve. After solving linked list, you come to recursion. Recursion is the foremost important topic for all other topics like binary tree, graph, and dynamic programming. So you should be very good in recursion. Then only you will be able to solve DP, string, and DP, trees, and graph. After solving recursion, you directly come to DP. No need to solve graph, no need to solve tree. First you solve DP because DP is totally related with recursion. So first you solve recursion. You can give at least 15 days for recursion. No worry. Recursion, you should be 100% sure that if anyone asks recursion from me in any question, then I should be able to solve recursion. After solving recursion, you come to DP. And now only I'm telling you, DP will take 1 month. At least DP will take your 1 month. And after solving DP, if you get time, so go for binary trees. If you solve till here, then you are about to go for any company, or you can solve any questions. You can, if you have time, then only go for graph. Otherwise, no need to go for graph questions. Now, if we talk about the LeetCode, wait. See, in LeetCode, you will find 3 types of problem. One is easy, second one is medium, and third is hard. But in some type of problems like easy, you will find like acceptance rate is very less. Like if it is less than 50%, then you can assume that it's written easy, but it is hard problem. So if you find those type of difficulties, like I'm not able to solve easy question and all, so first see how much acceptance rate is there. If it is more than 60, then yeah, it's a easy question. But if it is less than 50 or less than 60, then you can assume like it's a medium level question or it's a hard level question. So I will tell everything again. Like you should first you should solve arrays from a striver sheet. After solving arrays, you come to binary search, solve all the questions, and after solving binary search, then go for a string. And for a string, you should you search Coder Army on YouTube. The question which he asked you to solve a string, first solve all the string problems from there, and then you solve all the LeetCode easy problem on a string. After solving, all the easy LeetCode problems. You come to string, solve all strivers problem, which is like 15 number of questions are 15 here. So you can easily solve all the questions. And after solving string, you come to linked list. You total 31 problems are here in linked list. So it will means you can plan like I will take for a string, binary search, string and linked list. I will take from now. I will take 3 months, not more than 3 months, because your placement will be from July, I guess. So you have 8 months, not more than that. So if you plan like I'll solve 3 questions daily, then enough. No worries. And after solving till linked list, you directly come to recursion. Rec- re- after re- After recursion, you go for dynamic programming. After DP, if you have time, but like after DP, you should solve trees, not time. You should solve. You don't have any other option. And after trees, if you have time, then only go for graph. Otherwise, you can skip graph. Any questions?
In strings, can you tell once more? Like first, we have to see the coder army YT and solve lead code, right? Whatever he does.
LeetCode. Like, see, what you can do, you have two options.
Okay.
What you can do, first you solve all the LeetCode easy problems on a string. Okay.
Okay.
After solving easy question, you go for coder army and find all the medium level problem which he asked you to solve.
Oh,
No
okay.
need to watch videos. Yeah, the main thing that if you are solving any problems, then it should be not like in first go you will see and then you will directly go to YouTube. It's a blender. I'm telling you now only.
Right.
First, you try to give at least 30 minutes on each question on easy level also. If you are finding it difficult, then try to give at least 30 minutes. Try different approaches, how to do, what I am missing, and all. And one more thing, don't go for Chat GPT. It will, it will, it's a blunder. Chat GPT and searching videos on YouTube, it's a blunder. So, like for a string, first you solve all easy level problem, and after solving all easy level problem, go for coder army on YouTube, see all the medium level problem, and then string is over. You can move ahead with linked list. Then no need to solve a striver sheet and all for string.
Okay.
Any other question? And yeah, one more thing, like when you are solving lead code problems, then you should write all the questions in your notebook also, because after 1 month you will find that the solution which you written there, it will not be available on lead code. So write all the questions on your notebook also. Any other questions?
Can I do DSA in Python instead of Java?
You can do, but like will be few companies which will directly remove Python from their list only. Like when I went through JavaSmart, they directly removed Python. The options were C++, Java. That's it. No Python.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You should target like at least you should solve 3 questions daily on DSA and 1 question from SQL, because nowadays companies are like 50-50. They will ask 50% from DSA and 50% from SQL. Any other questions? Are you guys understood what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, you should not go for Chat GPT. First of all, you try your best. Like you should give at least 30 minutes on each question to see are you able to understand the question. First of all, you should understand the question. The thing which you will find, like if you are not able to understand the question, then copy the thing on Chat GPT and tell that don't give solution, just explain properly the questions. And from there you will understand the question, and then you try it by yourself. Then what is like how to solve the question, not like you go for ChatGPT and ask give me the solution. You ask ChatGPT, can you please explain the question properly? That's what. In his driver sheet, you will find that there are some problems on LeetCode and there are some problems from GFG. So if link are not present of LeetCode, then you search directly the questions with GFG practice. You will find that question are present on GFG. And one more thing, like you should not plan like I have to solve 500 questions. You should plan like if I'm solving 200 questions, then if anyone asks me from that 200 question, I should be able to solve any of that question. And revision is foremost important. Like if you will find like after solving arrays, string and linked list, and if you go again to arrays, you will find that you are not able to solve. Then it's common thing. You try if you try to solve it again, you try to do as much as practice you can. Any other questions? And your final target should be July. Like before July, you should be able to solve a string, arrays, linked list, 2 pointers, then DP, tree. That's it. After solving a string, array, and linked list, then only go for arrays. I'm not telling for course are the foremost important topic. They will ask you from these topic only. Mainly, they will ask you from these topics. Can we wind up the meeting, or do you guys have any other questions?
I think this is a little off topic regarding LeetCode, but
Okay.
can you tell us about your experience until now with the placement? How is it going so far?
Like placement, see, you will find in when you come to seventh semester, you will find that there are few people who don't know DSA and still they got placed. So like it's all about little bit of about luck also. Not little bit, I will tell in campus placement is 90% about luck and 10% of what you have done. So it's a common thing. You should not demotivate yourself that I'm not getting placed or something like that. One day you will get placed. If you have knowledge, so you will pakka get placed. So in starting, like Nokia and AP Moller were there. So in Nokia, they took some interviews and they were mainly preferable of Java. Like if you know Java, in GD they will mention Java. So if you are doing Java, then you will be eligible to sit in any companies. And like if you are planning for off-campus placement, like Amazon or like some other companies, so you should know DP, graph, trees properly, then only you will be able to crack those type of companies. If you are solving from now, if you are solving 3 questions daily, then after 8 months you will be able to crack any interview.
Is it true that people copy, like they sit in the last place in the labs and copy?
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Can you please repeat?
Is it true that people sit in the last benches in the lab and copy
Yeah, it's
the
true.
interviews?
It's
They do
true.
that.
In interview, you can't do cheating. So the things which I told you now, these all are things about mainly about interviews. In the first round, like you will find none of people are able to solve questions. You will find these things like they ask too much high level question. So for that also, if you are able to solve questions from now, then you will be able to solve any type of question in interview also and in first round also, like in the coding round, you will be able to solve. So for you there will be no need of dependency on cheating and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the luck part, right? Which you are talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
If you are lucky, you can get away with cheating.
Yeah. Huh. In campus is all about 90% luck and 10% what you know.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Were there any cybersecurity companies so far the placement in campus placement?
Two company came, but they have not taken the test yet. One is I think Data Kaveri, and another one is from SecPod, which Lata ma'am gave referral. So they took two out of 11 people, they took 2 people. But that also for SDE role, not for cybersecurity role.
So for cybersecurity role, as of now, there's
Only
none.
one company. Only one company. Yeah.
Okay.
I know you guys have like some queries like should we do cybersecurity or not, or should we go to some other domains? Do you have those type of questions? Because when I was in fifth semester, I had those type of questions in my mind.
Can we still change branch?
No, no, not possible. Till third sem, you could have changed, but now it's not possible. But like, see, our HOD right now, he's pressurizing us. But you will find like when you come in seventh semester, still he will pressurize you for that attendance criteria. But I'm like, he will guaranteeing you that all 63 will get placed by him or by through college. He will
Oh,
give
so
referral for that. Don't worry. He
he
will give
told
referral.
he won't ask us about attendance once we come to sixth or seventh semester.
No, 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 no. That's not the case. Like, uh, still we are having 85%. If you don't have 85%, you have to do that makeup things.
What? You have to stay behind
Yeah,
in college, even in seventh sem.
yeah.
What?
Like if you don't have 85%, he will not allow us for what internals.
Wow.
If you have internship, then he will allow you. Otherwise, he won't allow you.
Oh.
Yeah. And like if you are doing DSA in Java, then you have one more option. Like if you are planning for web development, okay. So after doing Java, you can for backend you can do a Spring Boot, and after doing a Spring Boot in Java backend, you can go for a Spring AI. If you are planning like I will learn some little bit about AI, then you can go for a Spring AI. And for Java, for Spring Boot, you can search Telesco on YouTube. First, you watch total 11-hour courses there. So you watch all full tutorial, and after doing that, you search one YouTube project you do, and then after doing that, do one project by yourself. So then after you will be done with Spring Boot also means you will be done with backend.
Tell us the resources to study Java. Like there are so many resources on YouTube,
Okay.
Webco, Apna College, and so many others. Like what did you
Uh,
read and what did you suggest
or
personally?
wait a minute. Let me search. For Java, you can. Are you guys no Hindi? Like if you are like if anyone if you any YouTube videos is there on Hindi, then are you guys able to understand, or do you have any other problems? If you don't have any problem with Hindi from YouTube channel, then you can search Anuj Bhaiya. The full tutorial is there on Java for 11 hours. You can watch it. And for a Spring Boot, you can watch Telescope videos. And after Telescope video, for a project, you can watch Dev2. You can search Dev2.
You said his name was
He has
Anuj
done
Bhaiya,
so
right?
many projects. Ha, Anuj Bhaiya, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Where do you give
and like
coding contests and all?
coding contest, right now I'm not giving any contest. Right now, you can give on LeetCode. It's best.
Like having like code chef and code forces.
Ha, you can go for it, no problem. But yeah, why I'm telling LeetCode? Because in interview, you will find that they are asking direct LeetCode questions. Direct LeetCode, no any changes.
Okay.
So like I'm telling you again, which for Java, you follow Anuj Bhaiya. For Spring Boot, you follow Telescope. And after doing a Spring Boot of 11 hours, you come to search DevTuro. You will find so many projects for on Spring Boot. You can choose any one of it. And after completing any one project, you try to do one project by yourself. And after completing two projects on Spring Boot, you go for it. If you want to go more deep in Spring Boot plus AI, then you go for a Spring AI course. And for
About the
front end,
projects,
yeah.
yeah, about the projects, like what exactly should be the technical stack? Like what makes a project good in 7 sem? So many
See,
things we can implement. What do they need,
see,
the companies?
yeah, see, the first thing they won't ask you to code anything, okay, in interviews. They will ask you how the project is working, how are the folder is structured, and then they won't ask you too many things about project. They will ask you to properly explain the project. And when you are explaining the project, you should be in a condition to tell that, sir, my project working is like this. The project folder is like this. While going through the project, I found two problems, and after that I solved these problems through these ways. That's it, nothing else you have to do. If you are able
So
to
the
explain your project for 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, then enough.
hmm.
Yeah,
So the this project that I'm putting in my resume, should it
yeah.
have like a good idea, like a good problem statement and idea, or a better technical stack and complexity?
See, if you are going for through in campus placement, then they won't
Yeah.
see your project also.
Oh.
They will means they will tell you like it's on they are shortlisted on basis of resume, but till now I have experienced like it's not about this, it's all about luck. If you are
So
planning for
off-campus project matters, right?
for off campus, your project matters. It will help you for shortlisting your resume, and like it will help you to increase your ATS score.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
I see.
So for that,
And
you should
what is
have
the
unique
status of
project.
yeah
You should have
unique
unique
project?
project.
So
Yeah, not too much unique, but yeah, like
okay.
see what I did. I did one project on Chat GPT. Okay, at that time Chat
Ah.
GPT there were no any voice enabled. So what I added one voice enabled Chat GPT. So it was like unique thing.
Oh, nice. I
Yeah.
see. And apart from this, like, what is the status of cybersecurity off campus?
See, for now, like everyone ask for experience. Okay, minimum 2 year, 3 year of experience they will ask you. So if you are
Hmm.
planning to go for totally cyber security, like I will go in cyber security branch. So right now it's a little bit difficult. Not difficult, I will say it's too difficult to go directly into cyber security. So for that
Without
you should know. For that you should know DSA. You should not be like I am cyber security student, so I will not do DSA. No, this will not work.
okay, okay.
Yeah. And now only I will tell you should have some knowledge about web development. Companies are in campus. Companies will ask you, and you will find like if you have only cyber security project, then they will directly reject you. You should have one project on full stack or on more or on Spring Boot, so that in company you can fight. I have a Spring Boot project. You can ask any question from there. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Any
Thank
other
you.
question? No. Any other question? Guys, feel free to ask any question.
Should we focus more on campus placement or off campus placement?
Right now
Like,
you should focus on campus placement. Off campus placement, you should do you can target one thing, like first I will get one on campus placement. After getting one on campus placement, I will try for off campus placement, so that after getting one on campus placement you should be secure enough. It's about security.
okay.
And if you have like a LinkedIn account, then what you can do, like if you find any job, okay, and if you find like, is there any, do you have any connection with that company? So if you find any connection with that company, send that job ID with your all the details to the connection which you have. Like see, if there any company, if there any SD role on Amazon, okay, so you search, is there any connection you have, or if you don't have any connection, try to search Amazon and send everyone your request. If any one of it accepted, then direct send them a message like, ma'am, this is the job ID and this is what I am looking for, can you please refer me or can you please guide me? It will help you. So can we wind up the meeting?
One question: Is
Yeah.
it recommended to have published papers and attended hackathons? I mean, hackathons do not matter, but
Hackathon you should
papers is it?
hackathon you should attend. Like for papers, if you are planning for higher studies, then paper is foremost important. And like if you are planning for first I will get a job, work for 1 or 2 years, then I will plan for somewhere else. Then paper I will not say like it's too mandatory.
And between Spring Boot and MERN, if we like master upon one, is it all right? Or like companies ask for both necessarily?
No, you can master anything. You can master anyone.
Oh, okay.
See, in front end you can do React and JavaScript, and in back end you can do Spring.
Okay.
Can you suggest any few certificates that will be necessary for us, like sort of courses that we can do on Coursera?
Coursera.
Or anywhere, doesn't matter. It's
Ah,
not necessary, right?
See, from Udemy, Udemy, if you are thinking to for some cybersecurity certificate, not certificate, I will tell. If you want to go deep in cybersecurity, or if you want to do something about cybersecurity, then on Udemy, you can search network penetration testing. Right, let me search just a minute. There is two courses on network penetration testing. One is for basic level, and then from next course is from intermediate to advanced, which is from Z security. You can do that course if you want to deep dive into cyber security. And for development and all, YouTube is enough. No need to go for any certificates and all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Is it important to have you said it's all about luck on-campus placement. So people, the recruiters, they see your projects more or they see your certifications? Like I have seen both the cases.
Projects. Mainly they will focus on your project and how you are able to demonstrate your project. If you have a simple project and if you are able to demonstrate it properly, then no worry. And like now only I will tell you guys, if you find any time, then do system design. You can search on YouTube. I have not gone through it, but a few days, 2 days before, I had one interview, and then they asked me about system design. So I guess in your condition, they will ask system design. So you should have some knowledge about system design also. College will not teach you system design.
Will they ask you core subjects questions like operating system, all those things? I mean, have they asked it very technically?
Wait. They will ask you, okay. But I guess 2 hours is maximum for those types of questions. ChatGPT will help you before your interview. Like if you search, like today is my interview, tell me all the concepts about operating system, and mainly they will ask you operating system and computer networks. And there are specific questions on that. So if you are able to tell those questions, then enough. No need to take tension for those type of subjects. Any other questions?
If I'm targeting for AI roles, what do they
Okay. See,
expect from us?
first thing, AI, you can target for AI role, but the thing is, you will find very less companies. Hardly you will find 1 or 2 companies. So it should be not like you will only go for AI role. You should be AI development is must. I'm telling you now only development is must. If you get any other extra time, then only do AI or cybersecurity, not both. Because you will not have enough time to do AI, cybersecurity, development, DSA, SQL. It's not possible. So
Thank
for
you.
AI role, you can go for generative AI.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Apart from your resume, is it good to have those kind of websites which people create for themselves? I mean, does it bear a good impression? Nowadays, people are doing that a lot, right? They have their own websites rather than resume.
But a resume is
Am I
must.
audible?
Like when you go for an interview, resume is must. They will ask you for your resume. So resume is must.
You told about Gen AI, like, is it enough, like, if we do study that in our honors, like, we have to take honors and minors, no? Like,
Yeah.
if we do study AI and honors, like, will it be sufficient?
No. No. It will not be sufficient. You should do some other courses either from Udemy or from YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Utkarsh, for taking
Okay.
time
Bye.
for this between your placements.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay.